Hi kiddos! Welcome back to Kiddos World TV. I am Miss V. Today, we're going to have so much fun learning how to write all the uppercase letters from A to Z.
Wow!
So grab your pencil, get your paper ready, and let's start writing together. First, let's learn how to hold your pencil properly. We're going to do nip, flip, and grip trick.
Marvelous!
Step 1. Nip. Pinch the pencil near the tip using your thumb and index finger. Step 2. Flip. Turn the pencil so the eraser points at your hand. Step 3. Grip. Hold and support it with your 3 fingers. Okay, kiddos, now you try.
Hooray!
Nip. Flip. Grip. Okay, one more time.
All right!
Nip. Flip. Grip. Great work, kiddos!
Cool. You're watching Kiddos World TV.
Okay, kiddos, let's learn how to write the letter A. Slant down. Slant down. Across. Okay, let's try that again.
Awesome!
Slant down. Slant down. Across. Very good, kiddos. You're on the right track. Ready to do the rest?
Yes, Miss V.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Woohoo!
The next letter we're going to learn is the letter B. Pull down. Round curve in. And the round in again. Okay, one more time, kiddos.
Yay!
Pull down. Round curve in. And around in again. Awesome work, kiddos. Now let's jump into the next one.
Fantastic!
Okay, let's move on to the next letter. The letter C. Start at the top. Curve left down and up. Okay, let's do it again.
Cool.
Start at the top. Curve left down and up. Excellent work, kiddos. Time for the next one.
Yay!
Next, the letter D. Pull down. Back from the top. Curve around in. Let's give it another go.
Great!
Pull down. Back from the top. Curve around in. Love it! Keep up the great work, kiddos. Let's keep going.
Hooray!
The letter E. Pull down. Across at the top. Across in the middle. And across at the bottom. Practice makes perfect. One more time.
Woohoo!
Pull down. Across at the top. Across in the middle. And across at the bottom. Wow, you're a star! Okay, off to the next one.
It's so much fun.
And now, the letter F. Pull down, across at the top, and across in the middle. Okay, let's try again.
Love it.
Pull down, across at the top, and across in the middle. Wow, I'm impressed. You're getting good at this. Let's keep going.
Perfect.
The letter G. Start at the top, curve left, down, and up. Then across in. Try it once more.
All right.
Start at the top, curve left, down, and up. Then across in. Wonderful! Let's head to the next one.
Cool.
Our next letter is the letter H. Pull down, across. Let's try that again.
Nice.
Pull down, across. Amazing writing, kiddos. On to the next one.
Wonderful.
Our next letter is the letter I. Pull down, across, and across. Let's try it again.
Wonderful.
Pull down, across, and across again. Great work, kiddos! Let's check out the next one.
Terrific.
The letter J. Pull down, curve left and up. Try it once more.
Cool.
Pull down, curve left and up. Super! Let's continue to the next one.
All right.
Okay, the next letter is the letter K. Pull down, slant up, slant down. Let's give it another go.
Great.
Pull down, slant up, slant down. Impressive!
Yay!
Okay, let's jump to the next one.
Cool.
Okay, it's time to learn the next letter. The letter L. Pull down, across. One more time.
Yes, Miss V.
Pull down, across. Perfect! Let's step into the next one.
Brilliant.
Here's the next one. The letter M. Pull down, slant down to the right, slant down to the left, and pull down again. One more time.
Awesome.
Pull down, slant down to the right, slant down to the left, and pull down again. Wow, outstanding! Let's check out the next one.
Great.
Alright, kiddos, here's the next letter. The letter N. Pull down, slant down to the right, and pull down. Let's try that again.
Excellent.
Pull down, slant down to the right, and pull down. Brilliant! Let's move forward.
Terrific!
Here's the next letter. The letter O. Start at the top. Curve left, down, up, around, and close. Another try. Let's go.
Hooray!
Start at the top. Curve left, down, up, around, and close. Amazing! Let's head to the next one.
Marvelous!
Let's write the next one. The letter P. Pull down, back to the top, and around in. Okay, let's practice it again.
It's so much fun!
Pull down, back to the top, and around in. Nice one, kiddos! Alright, next one coming up.
Wonderful!
The letter Q. Start at the top, curve left, down, up, around, and close. To finish, slant down. Let's do that one more time.
Yeah.
Start at the top, curve left, down, up, around, and close. To finish, slant down. Good job, kiddos! Let's jump to the next one.
Yahoo!
Let's write the next letter. The letter R. Pull down, back to the top, around in, and slant down. Another try. Let's go.
Perfect!
Pull down, back to the top, around in, and slant down. Great job, kiddos! Moving on to the next one.
Yay!
Okay, here's the next one. The letter S. Let's start at the top. Curve left, down, around to the right, then curve up to the left. Let's practice that again.
Cool.
Let's start at the top. Curve left, down, around to the right, then curve up to the left. Great work, kiddos! Time for the next one.
Woohoo!
Next, we're going to learn how to write the letter T. Pull down, then go across at the top. Alright, let's give it one more try.
Nice.
Pull down, then go across at the top. Way to go, kiddos! Let's jump to the next one.
All right.
Alright, kiddos, let's write the next letter. The letter U. Pull down, curve around at the bottom, and pull up. One more time, kiddos.
Yeah.
Pull down, curve around at the bottom, and pull up. Bravo! Let's continue to the next letter.
High five!
Kiddos, the next letter we're going to do is the letter V. Slant down, slant up. Let's try it again.
Yahoo!
Slant down, slant up. Marvelous! Okay, off to the next letter.
Nice.
Letter W. Slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Now it's your turn, kiddos.
Great.
Slant down, slant up, slant down, slant up. Perfect! On to the next one. The next letter is the letter X. Slant down to the right, slant down to the left. Practice makes perfect. One more time.
Love it!
Slant down to the right, slant down to the left. Good job, kiddos! Almost at the finish line. Let's keep going.
Yay!
Almost there, kiddos. The letter Y. Slant down to the right, slant down to the left, and pull down. Okay, let's do it again.
High five!
Slant down to the right, slant down to the left, and pull down. Great work, kiddos!
Love it!
Wow! We made it to the last letter. The letter Z. Across, slant down, and across. Alright, let's give it another try.
Yeah.
Across, slant down, and across. And we did it, kiddos! Congratulations! Wow, kiddos! You did it! You finished learning how to write all the uppercase letters from A to Z with me. I'm so proud of you. Give yourself a big pat on the back. You earned it.
Yay!
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Kiddos World TV for more fun learning adventures. Goodbye for now. See you next time.
Bye, Miss V.
Having fun, kiddos? Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next videos.